Gates open, that up, and racing. Queen Alicia draws for your lead. Moving up, Joshua Slapter to take the lead. Batong Silyaris by the rail, Grand Affair. And moving up on the outside is Getting Better, Kyrel. Elgin and German moving up is Dugos Fantasy. Heading towards the last 600. Batong Silyar, Joshua Slapter now by a neck. Then running on the outside, third Grand Affair running on the outside, Getting Better as they race to the last 450. Batong Silyar leading Sachanek, then moving up once again on the outside is Joshua Slapter, Grand Affair, and Getting Better with the last 150 more to run. Batong Silyar leading the field, Joshua Slapter is on the outside. Batong Silyar, Joshua Slapter running on the outside. Batong Silyar, Joshua Slapter, and finally Batong Silyar, Joshua Slapter, Queen Alicia, Grand Affair. Close between Elgin and Sherman and Getting Better.